joining us this afternoon at a seminar entitled, as you can see on the screen, The Dedicated Digital Reading Device, Introducing a New Proposition to UK Consumers. My name is Michael Healy. I'm the Executive Director of the Book Industry Study Group, which is a non-profit organisation based in New York, which serves the US book publishing industry in the development and maintenance of standards for the book trade, does independent research, and provides education and information on supply chain issues for the US industry. So you're all thinking now, why am I here when I know nothing about the UK trade, despite my accent and having spent all these years in the UK? Well, I was a little intrigued too when the invitation came from Sony to help moderate the session this afternoon. But I was delighted to contribute what I can this afternoon because I have watched with very close interest the development of what has become a very vibrant e-book industry in the United States in recent years. And along the way have picked up some impressions and even more opinions about what's good, bad, and indifferent in the US scene as far as e-book publishing is concerned. And I was very struck by the difference in approach that there appears to have been in my homeland here in the UK in my absence. And I was very intrigued by what I perceived to be, at least from a fairly safe distance, to be a very collaborative and open discussion about how best to stimulate within our industry a thriving e-book industry going forward. And I've watched, as I say, with a lot of interest but at some distance, as the leading digital reading device manufacturer has collaborated with the leading retailer and the leading distributor and many of the leading publishers here in the UK. And there seems to be, a genuinely cooperative and collaborative atmosphere in this market, intended to stimulate the development of a real market for e-reading. So I'm very much looking forward to the discussion this afternoon, which I'm supposedly here to moderate. But obviously all the participants on the panel, whom I will introduce in a moment, are hopeful that in response to the various issues and controversies that might be raised this afternoon, that you collaborate in this venture too, by asking lots of questions and raising any issues of concern and interest to you. So we genuinely hope that with the 1 hour we have available to us, we'll make this as interactive as we possibly